So now we are going to discuss about lowest form, standard form or simplest form. They all mean same. Lowest form of rational number, standard form of rational number and simplest form of rational number. See, sometimes what happens that we have rational number. We know that rational numbers are in P upon Q form. All right. Now, when these two numbers are prime numbers, then this rational number is said to be in its simplest form. It means that we cannot further reduce it. Why we cannot further reduce the prime numbers? Because prime numbers don't have any factors. तो प्राइम नंबर को और छोटा नहीं किया जा सकता क्योंकि वो किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आते. So when the rational number is said to be in simplest form, when you have prime numbers in P and Q both, means it is in its lowest form. All right. For example, अभी हम इसको lowest form दो तरह से कर सकते हैं. कैंसिलेशन अगर डायरेक्ट आता है तो आप डायरेक्ट कैंसिलेशन कर सकते हो और HCF फाइंड आउट करके कैसे कैंसिलेशन करते हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. सी, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लोएस्ट फॉर्म. इफ यू हैव जस्ट वन नंबर 8 upon 10, let's take a number 8 upon 10 and they ask you to write down this in its lowest form, standard form or simplest form. So what you have to do is you have to take your rough side, okay? In that you take 8 and factorize it. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. We know prime factorization. Then take 10, that is denominator, and prime factorize it. 2 5s are, 5 1s are. Now if you notice, 2 and 2, this is common number. If you notice, 2 and 2, this is common for both of them. This means that 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. It means 2 is highest common factor. It means that 2 is the number with which we can divide 8 also and 10 also. I repeat, 2 is the number with which we can divide 8 also and 10 also. Because 2 is the factor for both of them. So now I can write this 8 as 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So 8 is written as 2 4s are 8 and 10 is written as 2 5s are 10. Now I know that I can cancel 2 2. So now my answer is 4 upon 5. However, this is composite number, but still you cannot cancel them out because these both numbers, they don't have any common factor, and that's why this is said to be in its simplest form. So the standard form of 8 upon 10 is 4 upon 5, or simplest form of 8 upon 10 or lowest form of 8 upon 10 is 4 upon 5. So this is how you can do simplest form or lowest form. To remember that it's not necessary that P and Q will be prime numbers only. Sometimes there will be composite numbers also, but you just need to understand one thing, that they will not have any common factor, and that's why they are said to be in their simplest form, right? So I was waiting for this to come so that you should understand this, that prime numbers or composite number, but they will not have any common factors, and that's why they will be in their simplest form.